US index this week has lost its value, and it was as it was expected in the previous week, where the price has gone. We can see here that this was also shared inside the Telegram group with the traders on Wednesday, when the price has formed this bearish engulfing candle here. The price then started to lose its value. The price formed this bearish breakout on Tuesday and continued to fall down in value on a Friday, reaching with a wick 104.59. We can see that here. Weekly time frame shows us that the price has formed a bearish candle, a pretty strong bearish candle that has returned the price down. And the price stopped just at the first support level at 104.94. Monthly time frame shows us that after the price has formed these bullish candles, currently the monthly time frame shows us a bearish candle that has gone all the way to here, very close to the first support level, which means 104.05, a very important level for the price on the monthly time frame. Now, for the monthly time frame, what we could expect in the following month, what I'm expecting is there is a potential that the price returns all the way around 104, which is the first support level, and then bouncing back up, because this is currently how the price behaves. It is inside this bullish mode for several months. So this one that has been just formed, this could be also just small confirmation of this bullish breakout that has happened in the previous month. On the weekly time frame, we can see that 104.055 is the first support level, or at least around this one here, which is 104.34. On the weekly time frame, it is also the first support, a strong support before this one, where the price could stop. But before that happens, we need to see a weekly time frame going below 104.94, and for that we could see that much more clearly on the daily time frame. Now we can see that the price is currently in the uptrend, where the price is forming higher highs, but currently the price has cancelled this one, and the price has formed this bearish breakout, and it has dropped in value. The price stopped at 104.94, the first support level after this breakout happened. Now, there is also potentially that we could see the price going even more down, reaching 104.055 before finding a great support and continuing to rise in value. What I can see currently here on the market, this candle that has with the price between the support and resistance level is indicating for me that I will see the price going even more down. Before that happens, the price going even more all the way to 104.055, I need to see how the price behaves around this support level. It needs to be broken in order to continue to fall in value. So for that, I need to see the price on the daily candle to create this bearish breakout here, and it needs to close below 104.80, which is the lower side of this, currently acting as a demand zone. If that happens, this will be indication for the further fall in value all the way to here, the start of this demand zone at 104.38. Now we will see what happens on the daily time frame, and I will share that inside the Telegram group with the traders on a daily basis. So this is all for this week. See you next time, and happy trading.
That is all from today's analysis. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any question, feel free to leave a comment. If you like the analysis, click the like button and subscribe. See you next time, and a happy trading.